Hey guys, it's Aidette. Today I am doing a mukbang and I'm so excited because I'm hungry. I have been filming all day. I've only ate one thing today, so this is going to be my lunch slash dinner. Yeah. Right now it is currently about like 7:30, so I'm going to dive in. I'm so freaking hungry and I guess we're just gonna talk about random stuff because that's what we do, right? Okay, so if you guys know me, you know that I have recently started loving pepperoncinis or banana peppers, whatever you want to call them. They're basically these yellow little peppers right here, and I got them from the grocery store. When I saw these, I just about died. These are called El Pato hot chili peppers and I'm so excited about these because I smelled them. They taste exactly like the pepperoncinis that you can get from In-N-Out, and they are so yummy and tasty. So I'm excited. I'm gonna put these in my burger, kind of like eat them along with my burger and my fries. But the point of today's video is I wanted to try these new bacon cheese fries with you guys from McDonald's. I've actually had these back in Mexico 2-3 years ago and they were amazing. So the US is kind of late to the trend because these were so bomb in Mexico. I had them with my cousin Cindy and all my other cousins and we found love. They're so good. So look at all that cheese, all that bacon. They look so good. I am McDonald's fries biggest fan. Like, I love them, so I'm kind of excited. And then they also have a new Big Mac with bacon. It's literally the same thing, it just has bacon in it. So of course the 2 patties, has the 3 buns, and then it has 3 strips of bacon, and it also has pickles. I normally don't like pickles, but I think today I'm gonna try it with pickles because I'm very hungry and And then I have a medium Coke. I love Coke. It's one of my weaknesses. I don't have it very often. I just have it when, you know, it's a special occasion. So good. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and get started because I am hungry. So let's get started with the Big Mac bacon. So good. This is so freaking good. It is a little dry though. I feel like you could use a little bit more mayo, but I'm too lazy to go get more mayo, so I'm just gonna leave it. Now I'm gonna try it with one of these banana peppers. These are so good. They are kind of spicy though, so. And then sucking the juice out of them after. So good. This is my last cheat meal because I have been eating so bad recently, and man, guys, I have to get back into the gym because your girl, she's seeing a difference, so I need to stop. I honestly think McDonald's should start selling their Big Mac sauce because it is so good. Like, just imagine having your favorite foods with a side of Big Mac sauce. Like, I don't know if I'm crazy, but what if, oh my gosh, I should have asked for like an actual side cup of Big Mac sauce because I could have put it in my fries. That would be so good. It would be kind of like exactly like In-N-Out fries. So here are the fries and I'm just gonna mix them up so everything is coated. Okay, first bite. So freaking good. Oh my gosh, I can't stand when Armani stares at me. He's like, Mommy, I want some. Like, he doesn't really bark. He just stares, tries to make you feel guilty. Yesterday, my dad got some Sprite from McDonald's and he got like some burgers and stuff for the family. And I haven't had Sprite in a long time, but let alone a Sprite from McDonald's. You guys know that that first sip of Sprite feels... Oh my god, that wasn't me. Armani. The first sip of Sprite from McDonald's feels like electricity going down your veins. fries are so good. I know after eating all this, I'm gonna want to take a big nap. Yo. Okay guys, question time. What is your favorite, oh that's a fat one. What is your favorite song? By Ariana Grande, her new album, her Thank You Next album. Mine has to be Ghostin' or Needy. And Break Up With Your Girlfriend is pretty catchy too, and Seven Rings. But those aren't my favorite. Those are kind of like more mainstream, I feel like, because they're so popular. But I think Ghostin' has to be my favorite just because it's relatable. But not only that, it's very deep. Like you can feel how deep and who it was about. Like I really love when artists pour their heart into their music. So Ghostin' really is my favorite. Okay, I'm gonna take a bite of this and then a bite of my pepper. Mmm. Mmm. That one had a crunch. It popped. She was a crunchy one. Oh my gosh, this one got so messy. I am the world's messiest eater. Like you can ask anyone, I eat so messy. Oh my gosh, it's falling apart. More of these fries. So these fries are really good. The cheese honestly tastes like it's nacho cheese, like it's not actual melted cheese, which I don't mind, but it is like a sharper taste. But I really do like them. I would give them like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. And the Big Mac with bacon, I love Big Macs, so I would give this an 8 out of 10 too. Oh my gosh, this is what McDonald's does to me. Armani is over here trying to clean up any possible crumb that falls out of my plate. You know, before when I was younger, I used to be super insecure about the way that I ate. Like I just felt like I just looked kind of weird, but I don't really care anymore. I don't know why I decided to share that. Also, I'm gonna be taking another pepper. These peppers are so good. What the heck? I used to not like them. My mom, she loves pepperoncinis. I feel like I inherited a lot of things that my mom likes. Like I didn't understand why she liked shoes and bags and clothes and makeup so much, and like pepperoncinis and things that she liked a lot. I just never understood because, you know, I was a little kid. But now she is me and I'm her. I think that's enough peppers for me because I'm gonna be feeling it. Oh my gosh, I'm so burpy. You know what's so weird? There's people in this world that don't taste the difference between different waters. Like me, I could never just drink a warm Arrowhead bottle. Like if that's all the water that's there and I'm thirsty, obviously I'll drink it, but it tastes like metal. Like, am I the only one that thinks that? It's crazy. I love Essential Water because it's super hydrating. The bottles are huge and it just tastes better. It tastes very clean and pure, and like it's just really refreshing. Yummy. You know what's so funny about the whoa? So if you guys don't know what it is, it's kind of like when you do this, when you go like this. There's really like different ways of doing it, but it originated from TikTok. Myself and my friends have been doing it for a long time because like some of us do TikTok and stuff. So we've been doing it since the beginning, you know, and then everybody makes fun of TikTok and stuff. But it's actually low-key really fun. If you try it, you will be addicted. I'm so sorry. Sorry for tempting you, but it's really fun. It's kind of like the 2018-2019 version of Vine. But now I see people in LA always doing the whoa. Like, I'll be at a party and then all of a sudden, like, no context. Like, everybody will just be, you know, having a fun time, and then all of a sudden, someone just goes, and I'm all, but weren't you the one that was making fun of TikTok on your YouTube video, like, just a few days ago? So, What makes you think that you can do the whoa? Not you. Okay, not actually, but that's the T. That is the T. Okay, I'm done. I am chopping out. I ate a lot of it, but I'm so stuffed. The Big Mac alone is really filling. Oh my gosh. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you guys want more mukbangs, or if you guys want me to try out some new foods that are like super popular on camera, then I'm more than happy to do that, because it's just really fun. Like, I'm just here chilling, eating, and talking to you guys. But thank you guys so much for watching once again, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.